Hey, move.
No!
Just when you thought you've seen it all when it comes to crazy Karens.
My ex come up here.
Are you gonna make a fucking sound?
Let me bite me and I had to handcuff her. What is she doing? What are you doing?
Rock. Swear to God, if you post this on Snapchat, do not post it. Do not post this on Snapchat.
She bit me. Hey! What is your ordeal?
Do not post this on Snapchat. Robbie! Robert Jr.
Well, now y'all know my real name.
Do not post it.
Oh, it's going on Facebook. We're live.
Do not.
We're live.
Unless we're getting back together, do not post it on Facebook. I swear to God. Because I will kill your next girlfriend. I swear to God. I will literally. I'm not.
I'm gonna keep you.
I'm
I'm gonna keep you in those cuffs till you calm down, so you can drive home. She stole my knives, man.
Robbie, do not. Robbie, I'm serious. Do not.
You better start acting right. Got my knives back though, didn't I? And you walking around in cuffs. Look at you. What's the matter?
I didn't do nothing.
Let me get the other cuff off of you.
This is the one cup that I'm being unleashed from.
Oh, stop.
You and your girlfriend and the wife.
Oh.
Fucking. I have. You and everyone else.
Don't fight me. 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 Don't bite me.
Get the handcuff off of her,
Don't
Rob.
fight
And your new girlfriend.
Get the.
Let me get the
So
handcuff.
fucking happy
Let me
with.
get the handcuff off you. Put your foot down. Put your foot down.
A few moments later.
Let him take the cuff off, Greg.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
Yeah, let me find the keyhole. Let me find the keyhole.
Fuck you and my dad and every fucking person that ever thought that we would fucking work out because I said, ow. That's not nice.
Greg, quit being so mean, baby.
Come on. This is... Stop. Hey, stop fighting me so I can get these off.
You're such an asshole.
Hey, come on. Don't bite me no more.
You're such an asshole, Robbie! No, I didn't know it. Whenever I started dating you!
You're making this really hard.
That's what she said.
I'm about to break the key off in this motherfucker. I'm about to
Break
do.
it, bitch, break it.
Stop.
Dude, I really...
Probably get that off of
I'm trying to.
her. I know, but
That's you, man!
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and consider subscribing.